Hello, I haven't done this in a while, so I thought I would come on and show you the premium starter kit that I talk about, because I know some people don't even know what it is or what it looks like. So it's, first of all, it's beautifully boxed. Everything that Young Living does is really fancy. So you get this beautiful box, storage box, but inside will be your oils. And you will lift this out because in there, underneath, will be more goodies. So don't miss that when you get your starter kit. All right, I'm just going to run through the oils quickly so that you know what you're getting. So first of all, I have lemon. Lemon, this is a vitality, meaning you can put it into water, you can ingest it, because that's the white label. So lemon is a great detoxifier and a degreaser, and if you have any issues with irregularity, constipation, I know TMI, but this, boom, this in water will change your life. I know it has for me. Thieves is a great blend, and it's also vitality, and it's an immune booster, so it's going to boost your immunity, right? It just has an amazing smell, kind of like Christmassy, spicy in a bottle. I mean, it's great to diffuse too. It just it's my everything oil. I use it a lot. Lavender. This lavender is not like the lavender that you've smelled before. And what I do with lavender is I use it for my skin. I use it for burns in the kitchen. I use it at night for sleep in the diffuser, or you can make a spray. It's very versatile. It's called the Swiss Army knife of oils because it does everything. Then there's peppermint. Peppermint is so good. It helps with breathing. It helps with digestion. It just is just that true peppermint aroma. Great in brownies, white label, so it can be used in a little bit, just like 1 or 2 drops even in your brownie mix will taste minty, yummy, chocolate and mint. Who doesn't like that? Citrus Fresh. This is a blend, and it has citrus oils in it and spearmint. Smells amazing. It's like a mood booster, a sad booster. It's great in water. It makes me drink more water when I put it in. This is my own bottle, so this is not the white labeled one, but I believe in the kit the white labeled one comes, the vitality. Frankincense. Okay, this is wellness in a bottle. It does everything. I mean, this oil was brought to Jesus for a reason. Hello. This and myrrh, because back in the day, in the Bible days, I mean, they knew what plants were good for, and they knew they were good for protection, and that they were of a nature that they could help them and heal them. So frankincense is great for prayer time, meditation, yoga, any kind of calming, grounding time that you need. Stress away. Stress away is just what it says. It's kind of like vacay in a bottle, like a vacation in a bottle. You need this now. Everyone needs this right now. But it smells so wonderful. Limey and vanilla. It's just great oil for diffusing, applying if you're feeling nervous. Valor. Valor is a bravery oil. It's like courage in a bottle. Anytime that you are anxious or nervous or stressed out, it's even great for people who snore. So ask me about that if you need more info. Raven. Raven is, if you like breathing, it's for great breathing. If you like breathing normally, this is great. Opens up all the airways, and you can diffuse it. You can apply it as a chest rub. It smells great too. Panaway. Panaway is the first oil that I ever used on my body that helped me. This was the first one I ever used. I was just diffusing in the beginning. So this one was for hip pain when I ride in a car It worked right away. I was amazed, and from there I just kept using oils because they worked. Okay, peace and calming. Peace and calming is exactly, again, what it said. It's a calming oil. It's great for night terrors with young ones or tantrums. It's great at night to diffuse, to calm things, slow things down, bring the moods down to peaceful rest. Comforting, great oil, smells really, really good. Digize I use often on my belly. You can also take this internally, white label, and this one is great. Like, I have gluten intolerance, so it helps with that, but anytime you overeat or eat something that just doesn't agree with you, this works every time. I kid you not. Then you also get a Thieves spray. This is great for having on hand in your purse for shopping when you're out, shopping carts, in the bathrooms, doorknobs, all the things these days, right? So this is definitely one that is a great bonus in the kit. And then you also get 4 samples of 4 1-ounce, servings of Ningxia Red. This is a super antioxidant food. The wolfberries that are used for these come from the Ningxia Red district of China, and they are actually the highest of any antioxidant level of any food known in the world. So they provide complete body support. Drink an ounce of it a day. They're very economical. I get the big bottles, but these are great for carrying when you're traveling and such. Now, you also get this beautiful diffuser that's called the Desert Mist. It's running right now, and I'm just going to show you the light settings on it. So you have a high light, and then you have a lower light, and then you have a candlelight flick. Whoops, sorry, I hit the wrong button. There we go. Yeah, because it's backwards for me. So a low light, and then a candlelight flicker, which I actually love. This is one of my favorite diffusers and one of my favorite settings on the diffuser. But then you can go through the rainbow of colors, or you can actually freeze it on a color if you want it to stay on whatever color you want, green, purple, or blue. So I love that diffuser. It runs all night for up to, I believe, 12 hours of running time. It runs all night for us anyway. Then, as a bonus, this is what I give people who get their premium starter kit from me. I give a packet of Thieves, so you can start using the Thieves household cleaner right away. This is very concentrated, super concentrated. This actually will make 3 of this size bottle, and yes, I include a bottle like this. I have different color choices, and you will get that mix up. So this will make 3 of these in this one little envelope. So that is a bonus thing, and that comes with your welcome box that I send or give to you from me, and that will have some other things in it, a reference guide for you, and you get me to help you every step of the way. I will not get you a kit and then just have fun with it. I will definitely help you to use it and get the most out of it. And you also have access to the 24% off the wholesale cost. You will get that. Access to the website and the Facebook groups and education groups, Zooms, and all kinds of things that are provided to keep you fully in the know, so that you can get the best use out of your investment. And this is the way that I went when I first got started. It's a great way to start off your journey for wellness, taking charge of your household, and it has made a huge difference for Paul and I in our life, our health. All right, talk to you later.